Do you want to know how to make your own juice from home that will boost your immune system and protect against the coronavirus? Well, that's what today's video is about. Greetings, everybody. This is Illuminated Light. We are sharing and shining light on ways to love yourself more, eat healthy, beauty, and travel. Today's video is about making a natural juice from home that will protect you against the coronavirus. So, what is the first thing that you need? The first thing you need is strawberries. I know that you didn't know, but I'm here to tell you that strawberries have more vitamin C in it than oranges. So you want to put strawberries in this natural drink. The next thing that we're going to mention to put in this natural drink that you can make from home is a half of a pineapple. Pineapple is one of those citrus fruit that is high in vitamin C, and so whenever you're dealing with cold seasons and symptoms and things like that, that'll go ahead and move that mucus out of your body. Anything that's high in that vitamin C is going to boost your immune system and move all kind of things out of your body. So you want some pineapples in this smoothie or this juice. Now the next thing that we're going to add to this juice is one orange, just one. Okay, now what comes next for this natural juice that we're making at home? Now, this thing that I'm going to mention next, you can use either or, and that's a lemon or a lime. You want to put the whole thing in there, and what I mean by the whole thing now, it's really up to you if you want to peel your lemon or your lime or any of these fruits that have the hull on there. Now, you can take the hull off, but there are some people that really like the hull, because I've even heard that the nutritional value, that there is some nutritional value in the hull, but I prefer to take it off, take the hull off, and just juice this lemon by itself without the hull. So put that in your juice as well. And the last but not least thing that you want to add to this all natural juice that you're making from home to protect against the coronavirus is grapefruit. Now all these fruits that I mentioned, which is 5 of them, all of these fruit, if you're going to make a juice out of them, it's 2 ways that you can make it. Well, actually, it's 3 ways. You can either get you a blender to blend these things up. And once you blend them up, of course, you're going to have a lot of pulp inside of the blender from all the citrus fruit. So, but what you can do is get you like a cheesecloth and put it over a bowl or a deep cup, like one of those big kind of deep cups. You put the cheesecloth over it and kind of make it dip down just a little. So when you get ready to turn your blender cup over into this cup to pour the juice in, that all that pulp can kind of hang down in there, but it'll be straining out all just the juice alone. So inside the cup, it will just be the juice, and inside the cheesecloth, you'll have the extra pulp. Now, there are some people that like that pulp, and that's totally fine, and you can keep it as you want as well. Now, the other way is that you can get an actual juicer. Now, juicers have been inexpensive these days. Sometimes you can find them at Walmart, you can find them at even the dollar stores, you could probably find them there. I know I found a blender there. I don't know about the juices, but you can check it out. But you can just juice all of these fruit that I just mentioned. And the best way to do it is to cut them in half, because sometimes, even like a grapefruit, it's kind of big. If you can cut that in 4 ways and put that inside the juicer. Now the strawberries, I would suggest that you cut the heads off your strawberries before you put them in the juicer. Now if you're gonna, there's another way that you can juice these fruits and make a juice out of them. And if you don't have a blender, or if you don't have a juicer, you can use that orange juicer, and it has like this little pyramid on top, and you just cut your orange or your citrus fruit in half, and you just turn it on there, and you know what I'm saying, so you can take your juice and pour it into a cup. Now I don't know how you're gonna do that with a strawberry. Now the strawberry may need a blender, but with all these 5 fruits, this is gonna boost your immune system and help your immune system fight off of anything that comes your way. And this video is about making a juice that will boost your immune system, that you can make at home, that will boost your immune system and help fight this coronavirus. If you found this video inspiring or helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe. And also share this video with somebody else. I'm sure this can help somebody else. It's a lot of fear that's going on right now on our planet. And you don't have to fear anything. Everything is going to be all right. We all need to just eat healthy and just stay positive in a time like this. So keep your immune system up. Try not to eat any sugar, because it shuts down your immune system. Now, if you're eating natural sugar, that's fine, because that comes from the earth. It comes from nature. You want to eat natural sugar if you're going to be eating sugar. But all the other sugars, make sure that you're reading your labels and you're not taking in any other kind of sugars, because these sugars will shut your immune system down. Well, peace and love, everybody. I want to give thanks to my mentors real fast. Thank you to Rap Smart, my mom, and the universe. This is Illuminating Light. We are sharing and shining light. And remember, we are all gods and goddesses procreating the life we are thinking of. Our thoughts have power, and our words have power. So stay woke. Eat healthy, love yourself more, and think positive in a time like this. Peace, love, and light to everybody. Yamada.